and welcome to Navvision. I am Astha Shah from the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Navrachna University. Let's begin with the major headlines. The Department of Journalism and Mass Communication organized a two-day event in the name Parvaz on 1st and 2nd Feb. The annual sports fiesta was organized on 24th and 25th of January in the university campus. Navrachna University hosted a national seminar on law and social transformation on 25th of January. A 4-hour media workshop on strategic storytelling was organized on 24th of January by Christ University Professor Padma Kumar. The Superintendent of the Narcotic Control Bureau (NCB) conducted a talk on prevention of drug abuse among the students. The first day of Parvaz began with an opening ceremony led by the chairperson of Navrachna Group, Shri Tejal Amin. Parvaz was a fun-filled fest comprising of various events, including treasure hunt, media quiz, brand creation and much more. Music director Mehul Surti, former RJ Kshitij Banker and various such celebrities were invited for an interactive session with the participants. The event ended with the musical night by the Goonj Band. The annual sports fiesta at NUV, organized during 25th, 26th and 27th of January, was a great success this year too. Apart from the students, active participation from the faculty members made the annual sports fiesta 2020 unique from its previous records. Here's a correspondent, Yukti Vadnekar, in conversation with Professor Mandira Sikdar, Dean Student Affairs, Navrachna University.
So we have Mandira ma'am with us, who has organized whole this sports fest. So ma'am, what do you have to say about what was the main idea behind organizing this sports fest where all the faculties and students are there?
So my main goal of organizing this was that faculty have got very busy schedules. So one day I think it would be very good for them to chill out and participate in the sports activities. My other goal was to see that there is bonding between faculty. So here you can see how much they are enjoying and they have participated in all the events wholeheartedly, and I think that was my goal.
We have Priyanka ma'am with us, who also participated in one of the races. So ma'am, how good it feels to see students coming in such great numbers to support the teachers.
Okay, it's fun to see the students because we are all we're reliving our childhood. And it's fun. I mean, it's good to see that the the students have organized something for, teachers. Normally, it's like a break in the monotony, break in the routine. It's fun. I just hope more participation in future.
The event overall was a success, and the university looks forward to having more number of participants in the coming years. The School of Business and Law organized a national seminar on law and social transformation in India. The event was divided in 3 full sessions, starting with the inaugural session, followed by lighting of lamp and welcome speech by Provost Dr. Nilay Yagnik.
Innovative industrialization and urbanization, all of which have a great influence on the society as a whole.
HOD Media Studies, Christ University, Bangalore, Professor Padma Kumar, held an interactive session with the students of journalism and mass communication. The 4-hour-long workshop included content writing, character creation and other such fun activities.
6 hands, 6 legs, and you should be counted as a team.
A talk was held on the prevention of drug abuse among the students. Here's a correspondent, Yukta Marne, in conversation with the speaker.
Institutes are there, and it is a place which has a lot of population, and and of younger generation, of youth. So with these peculiar factors combined, yes, it's a place where activities, or I should say the customers of drug smugglers, they are very much available.
An interactive session for the students of journalism and mass communication was held on 10th Jan by Rajiv Pathak, editor News 18 Gujarati, and Arpit Trivedi, founder News First. Navrachna University hoisted the national flag on the occasion of 71st Republic Day, celebrated on 26th of January. Two Vadodara-based patients who returned from China admitted to the SSG hospital as a precautionary measure against the deadly disease of coronavirus. A discussion on Union Budget 2020 was held in the journalism studio by Deputy Registrar Professor Viral Vaishnav and HOD BBA Hitesh Bhatia. A talk on intersection, dialogue across disciples was organized on 10th of January in the University Auditorium. The speaker panel included Research Professor Vibhakar Kothak, Dr. Javed Khatri, Professor Yogesh Chaudhary and Professor Vaibhavi Pandya. Vadodara International Supercross was held on 20th of January for the first time in the city. NUV Samvad held a talk on achieving lifetime employability by former President of Global Professional Services, Shri Ashok Shah. Forest Department to conduct a census on the total number of crocodiles existing in Vishwamitra River and various areas across the city. India beats Pakistan by 10 wickets and enters the Under-19 World Cup final. This year's Happy Street ended successfully in the month of January. The theme for the week was Bachpan Lavi.
On the 8th of January 2020, Vadodara celebrated the International Kite Festival at Navlakhi ground. The event began with the lighting of the lamp and flying of the tricolored balloon by Deputy Minister Jivraj Chauhan and his team. There were cultural performances followed by fun Zumba, where all the participants joined in and enjoyed the Indian culture. Photo booths were also arranged to keep the feeling alive. Participants then moved towards the ground and the kite flying began. There were participants from all around the world. We here have our correspondent Yukta Mane in conversation.
What is your name?
My name is Todd Little. I'm from the United States.
So how's your experience?
My experience here is wonderful. I'm particularly enjoying the food. But the kite flying is fun too. It's nice to be treated very well.
Hello sir, can we know your name?
Yeah, my name is Robert Van Weers.
And how is your experience here?
I will love it here, but we just need a little bit more wind and then it will be even better.
Okay.
But the people are wonderful, helping us out, and it's good. And being a big boy, I love the food here. It's really good.
Hi ma'am, where are you from?
Hi, I am Karima from Tunisia.
Okay, so how is your experience here?
Here it's the first time, no, it's the second time why we visit India, especially international festival Kite Flyer. Yeah,
Thank you.
it's a great and famous festival.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
With this, we come to an end of our news bulletin. Signing off, reporter Astha Shah, Nav Vision. Stay connected, be updated.